Let's learn some new words. Things in the classroom. What's this? It's a chair. A chair. What's this? It's a desk. A desk. What's this? It's a school bag. A school bag. What's this? It's a pencil. A pencil. What's this? It's a pencil case. A pencil case. What's this? It's a ruler. A ruler. What's this? It's a pen. A pen. What's this? It's a rubber. A rubber. What's this? Some paper. Some paper. What's this? Some water. Some water. What's this? It's some food. Some food. So remember, we use a before a noun that we can count, like chairs and desks. These are called countable nouns. And we use some before a noun that we can't count. We can't count water. We can't count flour, sugar, milk, or oil. These are called uncountable nouns. But we can say a bottle of water, or a bucket of water, or some water. Let's practice again. Do we say a food or some food? Some food. Do we say a ruler or some ruler? A ruler. Do we say a water or some water? That's right, some water. Do we say a pen or some pen? Yes, that's good. A pen. Do we say a paper or some paper? Some paper. And last one. How many pens can you see? I see 3 pens. Do we say a pen or some pens? Some pens. Excellent. Great. Well done.